Garlic, scientifically known as Allium sativum, has been used for its medicinal properties for centuries. It is not only a popular ingredient in various cuisines around the world but also renowned for its numerous health benefits. Here's a detailed look at the health benefits of garlic. Number 1. Cardiovascular health. Garlic is known to promote a healthy heart. It helps in reducing blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow. It also lowers cholesterol levels, especially the harmful LDL cholesterol. Allicin, a compound found in garlic, is credited with these cardiovascular benefits. Number 2. Antibacterial and antiviral properties. Garlic has natural antibacterial and antiviral properties, which can help the body fight off infections. It's particularly effective against common colds and flu. Regular consumption of garlic can boost the immune system, reducing the chances of falling ill. Number 3. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is linked to many diseases, including cancer and heart disease. Garlic contains diallyl sulfide, which reduces inflammation. By incorporating garlic into the diet, individuals might reduce their risk of developing these chronic conditions. Number 4. Cancer prevention. Several studies suggest that garlic can reduce the risk of certain cancers, particularly those in the digestive system. Its high sulfur content, responsible for its distinct smell, has been found to have protective effects against various types of cancer, including colon and stomach cancers. Number 5. Improved digestion. Garlic aids in digestion by promoting the production of digestive enzymes. It also helps in maintaining the health of the gut flora. Consuming garlic regularly can prevent digestive problems and promote a healthy gut. Number 6. Detoxification. Garlic supports the body's detoxification process by enhancing the production of glutathione, an antioxidant that assists in detoxifying harmful substances. This can be especially beneficial for individuals exposed to high levels of toxins, such as heavy metals. Number 7. Regulation of blood sugar. Garlic has been shown to lower blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. It enhances the body's insulin sensitivity, helping in better blood sugar regulation. Number 8. Improved bone health. Garlic is a good source of manganese, a mineral essential for bone health. It also contains vitamin B6, which is important for maintaining bone health. Regular consumption of garlic can contribute to stronger bones, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Number 9. Aphrodisiac properties. Garlic has a reputation as an aphrodisiac, believed to improve libido. While scientific evidence is limited in this area, some studies suggest that garlic can enhance circulation, which might indirectly improve sexual performance. Number 10. Skin and hair health. Garlic's antibacterial properties can be beneficial for the skin, helping in the treatment of acne and skin infections. It also contains sulfur compounds that are good for hair health, promoting hair growth and reducing hair loss. Number 11. Pregnancy and lactation. Moderate consumption of garlic during pregnancy and lactation is generally considered safe and might offer health benefits to both the mother and the baby. However, it's important to consult a healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes during this period. Incorporating garlic into your diet is an excellent way to enjoy these health benefits. Whether raw, cooked, or as a supplement, the medicinal properties of garlic can contribute significantly to your overall well-being. However, it's important to note that while garlic offers numerous health advantages, excessive consumption can lead to digestive issues and unpleasant body odor. As with any dietary changes, moderation is key. Thanks for watching.